This dumbass bitch just sniped me across the map. And now he's teabagging me. This guy is dead when I fucking respawn.
You are out of energy drinks. You have 3 hours to restock, or else I will self-destruct.
But I thought there was another can.
Well, there was, but you just chugged it down.
Well, shit, I guess I have to go to the store. There's no energy drinks here. God damn it, there's no energy drinks left. There's just soda and iced tea. Oh my god, there's no energy drinks here. Ugh. Wait, what am I doing looking for energy drinks online? They wouldn't come in time. Ah, this is stressful. What the hell is that? Oh shit. Hey you, give me that drink, or else this whole place is gonna blow. No, it's mine. Where did he go? In that case, I'll just take this and leave. Oh, thank God, it was only a dream. I don't have an exploding fridge. It's all a nightmare.
You are out of energy drinks. You have 3 hours to restock, or else I will self-destruct.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I can't see me love nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the sky's looking blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be the only